Hey everyone, this is week 53 of CSONS at Home, and there's a new face on the team today. Josh has decided he's going to take some holiday this week, so Luke's stepping in, our head chef from Shrewsbury, and we've got a bit of a banger, some really nice new season produce. First the Asparagus, an old classic Italian gnocchi dish that we've done for years, and a tasty pud. But Luke's going to talk us through what's on the starter, Luke.
Okay, so we've got, as Ruben just mentioned, the first of the season asparagus, hopefully from Quat Farm. That's cooked in some nice wild garlic butter, and we've got some wild garlic puree on the top that we've gone foraging for. We've got some Shropshire salumi guanciale, which is the jowl of the pig on the pig's cheek, and we have Shropshire quinoa. It's got some of that wild garlic puree going through to give it some depth of flavour, and hopefully a perfectly poached halidine egg.
Tasty. And then, for the main course, there is it's homemade gnocchi, which we pan fried in a little bit of butter to crisp up. And then the sauce is a ragu that we've done for years. In fact, I think Clive used to do it at the Green Cafe before we owned it. It's a bit of an old classic. And that's made using Gloucester Isles pot pork. It's actually a coarse ground sausage meat that John, the head butcher there, makes using fennel and garlic. So really tasty and delicious. And then that's just been served with some Berkswell cheese and some Lane Cottage leaves. It's nice and simple, but tasty and delicious. And then for purd, we've got a torta caprese, which is like an almond and chocolate tart, and we've put some walnuts in there as well. And then you've got some candied walnuts on top, and finished with a Sabayon cream rocher. I think that's about it, isn't it?
Yeah. Sounds about right.
Tasty stuff. So you'll see Luke on the videos this week, showing us how it's done. If you're new to CSONS at Home, check out csons.uk, where you can order these dishes as a meal kit to enjoy in the comfort of your own home. I've told you a gazillion times we deliver nationally, so you probably don't need to know that again. That's about it really. Get ordering, enjoy.